Okay, so you're all going to get, when you get home, you're going to have two bows that'll be pre-made and picked for you. One with a longer tail than the other side. You'll get four little, we call them pick items, but they're just decorative. Sometimes they're little present packages, sometimes they're apples, cones. You're going to get four of those, and then you're going to get several of these little cones and red fruit. Everything will be on a pick. So let's start with the bows. I like to put them in opposite corners. So you're going to take that bow with the long tail coming down the length of the arrangement. So let's put a kitty corner in this corner here, and the pick is just going to get stuck right in there. Kind of bury it nice and deep, and then I take the long tail and just kind of weave it and tuck it in. There you go, around and under some of the fur and the boxwood. There you go. So it's kind of a serpentine look to it down that side, and we'll do the same on this side. So now we'll come to the opposite corner. Take that bow, it's on a pick, just put it right into the corner here, and then push it in nice and deep, just like that. And then, nope, we're going to take, let me start it over. We're going to put this bow, we want the long tail come down the length, so I should have been paying attention. There we go. Nice and deep, and then the long tail will again come down, like on the other side. We'll just stick it, and tuck it right in there, and have it kind of loop, so it kind of comes in and out like that. Now we're going to take the pick items, and I like to put one right underneath the bow, but you can put these wherever you want, and they'll just push right in there very, very easily and stay in place. Let me come down, maybe put one right about here in this open spot, right there. I'm going to take this one and put it on the opposite corner, maybe up a little higher. Right there. Let me see, let me push that in a little more. Good. And then let's take the last one and let's put it right about here. So it doesn't, you get to choose where they go. I like to tuck one under the bow. We could have taken this one and put it under this bow like this. Wherever you want to put them. Now what you've got left are some little cones. You're going to have several of these, and these can just be tucked right in the open space. Push them down nice and low so you don't see the pick. Put one right in here. Put that last one. I had already put a few on this side, and I'll put the last one maybe right over in here. And lastly, you have a lot of these little pick berries. I think they look like winter berries. So again, it's just a matter of seeing where you got a open space and you want to splash a color. So maybe next to a cone. Looks like we could use one right up here in the middle, opposite this one here. And this last one, we'll put it down this end over here, right about here. There you go. So that's it. There's your completed centerpiece. I think you're going to have a lot of fun doing this, and it might be a good idea. You could be doing this while you got your Hallmark movie on, and that'll really make for a nice Christmas in Seekonk. Thanks.